guys, I'm Justin Adrian. I'm the President of Operations for Vibe Concepts, and you're at Great Divide RiNo right now. This is the home of one of our favorite burgers. We had a lot of fun with building this menu specifically because we have so many burgers. We have 17 burgers on this menu, so we got to go ham. Everything from classic American to Asian to Greek. We went all over the board with this one. Picking a bun is really important because we stock our burgers at Great Divide, right? So we're trying to find something that holds its integrity. We finally landed on the company that we feel best fits our burger. That's with Harvest Moon, and they make an amazing bun. Their product is local, it's fresh, it's killer.
Hey, my name is James Doxson. I'm the culinary director with Vibe Concepts. If you're a first timer at Great Divide, I would 100% recommend is Wok This Way. We'll build you this Asian-inspired burger. Throw that beautiful burger on the grill with gochujang aioli, sweet spicy sesame, a little crisp, fresh cucumber, and crunchy wonton chip.
My favorite burger is the Peachy Keen. It's so good. It's fresh peaches, garlic aioli, a sriracha glaze, and then we have goat cheese and red onion. So typically we are still a American brew pub, if you will, but we have a lot of Asian influence in it, and spices and ingredients, which is super fun, gives it a little bit of flair.
Walk this way over to our Asian-inspired burger at Great Divide Brewery Roadhouse in RiNo.
Can't wait to see you guys this year at Chicken Fight and Burger Brawl at Elitch Gardens. We'll be there cooking, eating, and enjoying some beverages with you guys.